What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today. Taking Cuzo for a ride in Meech. Yes, indeed. We finna go for a journey in Meech, man. His first time ever riding in it. Like I said, I got the street tires on, so we ain't doing no dead standstill pull, just like high gear. Getting the car rolling up the speed, just letting feel it just a little bit. You know, so I told y'all I never do a real true ride rash in the car on these tires. It's just not safe, man. It's just not. So we're gonna do like high gear, get in third, get the speed up, rolling fast. Cause y'all know their car break traction at 60 miles per hour. I have seen it. I have done it. I ain't done no video. Wasn't trying to do it. Their car break traction at 60 miles per hour. So we're gonna kind of. If you gun it, so we ain't gonna do none of that. We're gonna roll in the speed, then kind of gradually roll into the throttle, just to let them feel the G-force and all that. But first, I'm finna put some petrol in this thing, man. Some petrol, and then we're gonna go on up there and see what's to it, man. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we taking in, man. Taking in. So y'all see Cuzo. Like I was saying, first time being in Meech in years, man, long time. I'm talking about a real long time, man. But we just busting blocks, gas stuff, all that good stuff, man. Ran up on it. I told y'all, we ain't even do no standstill now, no hard time, man. Man, it's over here, NASA. You gonna drive back?
Yeah, but I ain't gonna do it though.
I know. Hey, we been switch seat, man. Let Cuzo drive back, man. So, I'll turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, y'all, we take it back in, man. Let Cuzo drive this thing back. Get a feel for it. Alright, y'all, it's the next day. Man, let me see that wind blowing. I need to start using my microphone, man. I got a microphone for all this. But it's the next day. Let me come in here. That wind blowing hard, boy. Let's see, y'all turn y'all look some. But yeah, it's the next day. Y'all see me and Cuzo, man. We had a good time. We had a good time riding in Meech. Like I said, Cuzo ain't rode in Meech in years, man. And I was looking at my old pictures. I got the car back. I got the car back in 2018. So I done had it back 4 years now. 2018, got it back. I let it set for a year. It sat right there. It sat right there where it's at now. But then y'all know, well, it might have been right there with Dolo. Cause remember, I had the driveway extended. It's been a while. I had the driveway extended. If you've been around that long, you've been around, man. That was back when we was on Jmalcom 2004 rides day. I had that joker extended, man, but it was set right there, man. Set right there, had them racing wheels on it. Then we put the 305. We bought the 305 HO out of Rick. Y'all know Rick used to have a bubble cup or a bubble Chevy. Y'all saw us do that. We put the 305 in there, man. It still had the Holly blue on it. Never adjusted the fuel pressure. That joker rinsed the cylinders out. Fast. Rinsed the cylinders out. That joker started knocking. Cause the gas, it was so much gas. The gas went in there with the oil. The oil smelled like straight gas, man. When gas get in your oil, it thins it, man. It take the viscosity out of the oil and thin it out. And man, it can't properly lubricate everything. And then you're gonna start to. That what happened, man. It don't take long. You can't play around with that fuel pressure, man. That Holly blue be pumping. So we had the Holly blue on there. It was basically still regulated for when I had the big block in the car years ago. Cause whoever, the person I ended up getting it back from or finding it from, the car to have an engine in it. You have to go back and look at all them videos, man. Y'all see. Go back, back on 2004 rides. Go look at them older videos and you'll see. But we put that 305 HO in there. Start knocking, man. Outside, got right on it. Ordered the crate engine from AutoZone. It came fast, 350. We pulled that 305 out. I stuck the 350 in there, and we rode around with the crate engine just cause I just want to have the car running instead of sitting, man. Stuff can mess up when it's sitting. Crate 350, man. I think I rode around with it maybe 7 months. Within a year, I always had plans on putting that in wifey car, so put it in there, man. Make sure everything. We put it on the track one time. Just to get a time on it. I need to go back and look at that video too, cause I'm wondering what it ran. Then y'all know wifey drove it down the track. That was her first and only time going down the track. She drove Meech down there with the crate 350. All this stuff on 2004 rides, man. And after that, took it out, put it in wifey car, which is the engine that's in there now. That engine, man, that engine don't even have 10 to 15,000 miles on it, y'all. That thing in wifey car brand new. It's brand new engine. Don't even have 15K on it. And yeah, we done remixed. I done remixed the wifey engine now, so she got a different combo, different engine set up now. And here we are. I know we put the other big block in Meech. It flatlined in less than 24 hours. And now Meech is Meech and Meech. But yeah, man, like I said, we had fun riding around, busting some block. We didn't record everything cause y'all know I had music going. Then Cuzo got some stuff on his vlog too, man. Y'all gotta see it. Cuzo got some stuff on his vlog. Cause y'all see in here, I let him drove too. I don't know if he done dropped his yet at this time y'all seeing it, but if he ain't, y'all gotta see the rest of it on his channel, man. Little Crazy Whips Addiction. Let him push that nag. Cuzo said, take me home, what? Cause I'm done, man. That joker, that what we talking about our camera. He like, man, that thing right, man. Meech, I told y'all, Meech different. And me being on the passenger side, I could feel it. I said, it crazy how hard that car pull on the hard tire. Even with it in the midst of spinning, man, the G-force in that car is ridiculous. Now that car, Meech gonna be good for ride racing, man. It gonna scare some people, man. But I'm gonna have to. I've been networking. I've been networking on the ride reaction, man. I want to bring some new faces to the channel. Let y'all see some new faces, man. Y'all know I only link up with good people. But I also try to bring new faces to the channel to put y'all on new people, man. And us as a collective maybe can help them out, help their social media out as long as they good people and support them. Whether they in the cars or other stuff, man. I try to, that's just how my heart set up, man. Cause we all like different stuff, man. You know, if a person good, they good. So I'm trying to bring some new faces in for the ride reactions, man. Like I did last year, I brought a lot of new faces, so I'm gonna bring some new faces to y'all this year. Not this year, well, some this year, but a lot next year in the collab. Y'all know how we do in the winter months, man. When the track close, we take people for a ride, put smiles on people's faces. So that's what we about to do, man. Spider web. Hey, man, I don't mess with spiders. I don't mess with spiders for real, boy. That's what I'm scared of spiders. I don't fool no spider, boy. I leave here. Let me see. Leave that. Come on. Boy, hey, A-Town stomp that joker, boy. A-Town stomp that spider, man. But yeah. And then, man, I gotta call my boy today, man. I gotta call my boy. I know some of these rappers and stuff too, man. So y'all don't be surprised. Y'all see some entertainers and celebrities pop up on here soon, man. Don't be surprised, man. Don't be startled. So, yep. Let me see where we at. All right. But yeah, man. All in all, it was a good vlog. Like I said, Cuzo pulled up, man. We shot a few things. But I've been wanting to take him for a ride and Meech. He the only one, cause he my family. But when y'all start seeing these random people, man, I ain't taking nobody for no ride. And on the hard time. Like, man, Cuzo, we ain't really just get on y'all see, but cause they joke spinning the tires. So when we put them radios on, I got to buy some new radios too. I got to buy some new radios, man. We put them radios on, then we're gonna let it eat. We're gonna let it eat, man. I already got a set of front rims and back rim for Meech. I need to take the slicks off of Meech back. Those Meech back rim, the one got slicks on them. I need to take them off, cause the slicks were literally for headhunters, man. But I ain't going to. Headhunters ain't been open in some weeks, so I might well take them off. Buy me a new set of radios, put them jokers on Meech, and let it eat. But what I'm gonna do? What we gonna do? Cause them radios high. Them some high tires, man. What I'm probably gonna end up doing is buying another set of back rims, the same back rims, and put a set of radios on there. I'll probably switch out, take Dolo old radios off since they got some passes left on them, but they the most worn down. So, or either I'm just leave them on there, get some new rims and a new set of radios, and I keep them for Dolo for going to the track. Dolo and Meech I have 3 sets of back rim basically. Then the set of wheels I use for Dolo right now, I use them for ride reactions between the 2 cars. Cause they do eat your tires up. When you riding around on them, they peel cause they soft compound. Taking ride reaction, man, they eat them up, but they real high, man. But like I said, I probably buy 2 more sets and another set of back wheels, and then that'll be my radio for the track. And I probably write on, well, I be able to tell by the wear. And I use them just for ride reactions in these winter months, so I'm probably gonna get them 2. If I can find them. Radio, Mickey Thompson Radio Pro been hard to find. If I can find them, I'm gonna order 2 sets. Order 2 sets of back rim. Well, set of back rim from Zed. But next week, man, I should have had the 24s on Meech. Man. We got shots. Just waiting on the anti-roll bar. It's getting powder coated. He had it powder coated for me. And I plan on getting this stuff on. We got new hood in, so when Meech roll out of Lawless, it should have a new look, and it's gonna be suspensions. They're gonna be crazy. We're gonna have the coilovers on, hood on, anti-roll bar. Something I'm leaving out. Man. I can't think. It's something I'm leaving out. But then basically it's gonna be track ready. I plan on taking the dog to the track next week, next Friday. Middle Georgia Motorsport Park. So if you want to see it in person, come out early, man. The track be going hot at 7, I think. 6:30 or 7. Come out there early. I plan on having Meech there and Dolo. I plan on having both of them. If I can't, depending on whether, if I have to make a choice which ones I'm gonna take, it'll probably be Dolo. Cause I need to go ahead and I need to see what I need to see. So it'll probably be Dolo. If I can't get both of them, Dolo will be there. 6s on 6s I'm gonna run it, and I'm gonna spread. Cause that junk gonna hold. I got a good ramp in mine set up. So I know it'll hold. So I'm gonna spray it on the rim. Then I'm gonna let that joker eat on that nitrous too, on the foot brake. And then I got to get with Hughes, man, to try to get my custom converter spec. Hopefully I can get that here and in before the end of the year, cause I have one more time to run. I think in the beginning of December I have one more track day, and then I'm gonna make the most of that track day and try to take Dolo brown coat and Meech. That's the plan. That's the plan for the year. And man, I got to get on it, man. I'm gonna have to. Jesse, I got some job for Jesse, man. I'm gonna just go get a big lump sum of money out the bank and take it to my boy. Be like, him, man, what this for? I'm saying this for RB, this for brown coat, and what we gotta do. And this will go ahead and for Meech and Dolo, cause I gotta change the rim, man. I know they got to do all that stuff. Cause when it hit March of next year, I'm gonna have drivetrain done on all these, and wifey car gonna be ready, drivetrain all the way. So y'all gonna have to see that video, boy. Her car look totally different under that hood, boy. I can't wait till y'all see it. And whoo, I ain't even heard it, but Rick say it sound, yeah, he done fired it up. Rick say that joker sound good, boy. She got a new rim, everything. We did her whole, man, redid her whole car, man. Redid the whole drivetrain. Then she gonna get a brand new Showtime transmission and converter. And yeah, she ain't gonna be slow no more. So yeah, man, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.